Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold weekly forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week my gold weekly forecast I have mentioned price reached 2000 level and that has reached in last week. So you can join with my Telegram group for accurate gold analysis with signals. So I am in weekly gold chart. You can see this is the 2000 level passed in this year. Second times price has past 2000 level gold. That is a psychological level 2000. You can see recent two times price has reached 2000 level past. That's as the geographical tension in the this is the uh, Israel Palestine war tension is going on, and that's the gold demand as safe haven commodity. So you can see the three times price reach 2000 level. This is the last year 2022 is price reach has passed 2000 level in Ukraine Russia war tension is going on last year March, and this is the 2023 the Silicon Valley Bank crash in this year March. Price has passed 2000 level. That is also geographical tension. Market financial tension is going on this year. This is the behavior of gold safe haven demand. So how can you trade from the next week? What are the levels? So I am expecting this level. This is the strong sell zone in 2015 2020 zone. That's the you can see price has dropped. This strong sellers are in this zone, so you will touch geographical tension. So geographical tension is continuing strongly. Price has reached about 2020 as well. So touch with geographical tension. This is the technically I am seeing this sell zone price drops. There you can see this is the last Silicon Valley Bank cash and price drop again 2015-20 level. This can be strong sell level goal with the left side sellers are in strong. That's a price some retracement and again going to the upside like this. That is the I am hoping technically price is going on next week. So 2015 2020 level is the strong sell zone with the technically analysis, but you will touch geographical tension market fear market risk of sentiment is going on. Gold can be demand as a safe haven commodity. So I'm expecting this price action is in next week some retracement and again upside and again retracement and can be dropped. This is the technically I am seeing. So you can get the trade sell zone in this technically picture in 2015 2020 level. That's you can see the highest goal reached this year 2067. So this time also this can be with the geographical tension is strongly going on some countries with doing with this war, and it can be strong and gold can be strong bullish. 2067 is the highest. So this is the economic data. I am see the federal funds rates November 1st Wednesday you will touch 5.5 is the current rate. Federal expecting 5.5 post the rate. So you will touch with this economic event. And also non-farm employment change is next Friday. That is more volatile economic data. So 300 above is the last time, and Fed expecting to drop that NFP data. So you will touch with economic data also. That's the gold and oil pop as the Gaza hope spread. That is the Forex Live mention. Touch with the gold and oil what is going on. The geographical tension is more powerful than economic data. So you will touch with geographical tension, and technically I am seeing this type of picture. Gold is can be dropped to the some retracement in 2015 2020 level, and again upside retrace downside retracement, and again going to the upside. This is the daily chart goal. So this is the zone, this is the sell zone. So I am seeing this zone. This zone is the you can sell with the this zone. This left side is strong, sellers are in there. Then the retracement to the 1980 is the reasons buy zone. So by I am expecting price going to the 2015, and then you can retracement. The next level is the 1950 1940 level. That is the left side strong, resistance can be support in right side in 1950 1940 level. So I am expecting price drop to the below side from 2015-20 level, and again upside. That is the my next week forecast. So and then it can be dropped to the 1950-40 level, and again upside. So geographical tension is strong. Price can be reached 2050 as well. So that is the technically I am seeing this type of picture with the federal funds rate since next week, and also non-farm employment change is next week. You can have a sell opportunity in 2020 level. So get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation, touch with the geographical tension, market tension, and touch with the economic data, federal funds rates, and non-farm employment change is in next week. That's a more volatile event. So thank you very much.